Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Oh wait, why is there 3 Ms Kuan? Introducing the beautiful foldable next generation of smartphone from Huawei. Experience immersive big screen views and innovative features in photo mode, giving you a versatile device to open up your world. What I like is I can use it as my makeup mirror. I can just put it on the surface without having to hold it. I can just snap pictures by saying "say cheese." It's usable even when it's folded. There are so many functions on the smart cover screen. You can check on today's weather, read messages, and answer or reject calls. Function and convenient experience with HUAWEI P50 Pocket. You can even take selfies using the rear camera. As you guys know, HUAWEI P50 Pocket has ultra spectrum matrix technology. The Huawei XD optics and true Chroma image engine allows me to capture in extreme details and clarity no matter it's day or night. Unfold to reveal the large 6.9-inch display. Safe access, fold and open. Available in 2 colorways. One important thing is, its compact and premium design is to die for. There's no gap, seamless and slim. It's the most beautiful foldable phone, compact yet powerful.